Hi everyone and welcome to my workshop. My name is Dermot O'Brien and I make these light sculptures out of wood. There have been so many questions about how they are made, how does the light get in there, what form of light is in there, what happens if a bulb blows, how can I change a bulb, that I will deconstruct this, take it apart and show how it's been put together and answer these questions. It's made of 3 separate elements which are fixed to the back plate, which is one piece with dowels. Now the dowels, they sit snugly and they need to be, to keep this in position. But it means you have to use a little bit of force to take them apart. So to take them out, I use this tool cut from a bit of soft wood, which will fit in the gaps, and I can gently ease the dowels out. The first thing what needs to be done is to take the cable out of the groove in which it runs, so that it doesn't snag on anything, there's no damage done. Then, using the tool, I gently ease the dowels out and can then access the light bulb. You see the socket is fixed in the wood and the light bulb. Each of these elements of a lamp every element has a light bulb inside it. And in some, if I do a bigger one, I can have more than one light bulb in each element. But in general, in each element there's a light bulb. This is Karelian birch burl, which has a very beautiful figure in it and looks really good. You can see here how the cavity has been cut out at an angle so that it's smooth, so that the light in the cavity doesn't cast any shadows in the cavity, and the light takes on some of the color of the wood, and so this happens very nicely, and the light, I have more light coming out through the gaps. Here you can see the tiger birch, which has a beautiful shimmer to it, and depending on how the light falls on it, it changes color. So this is a very, very nice effect. Here you also see how it has been cut at an angle very smoothly to ensure that the light travels well. Here the socket is also affixed to the back plate, so no problem to get out the light. After this construction work is done, then it's sanded, starting with 80, then 180, then 320 grit, so I have a really nice smooth finish. And then I use a wood turner's oil, which on a linseed base, and which enhances the grain of the wood. When that's dry, it's polished again, and then I treat it with beeswax solution, which gives a very nice smooth finish to it. I mean, it has to be polished, there's quite a bit of work doing in polishing it, but the result is wonderful. Then, after doing all this work, I can put in the electricals, and then I have this exciting moment where I plug it in, and now I can see for the first time how everything that I've planned, how it bears fruit. I mean, I've a lot of experience in doing this. I've made many of them, so I have a fair idea of how the effect will be. But it's dependent on so many nuances, like the wood, the color of the wood, how the gaps, how the light shining out the gaps in the outer elements fall on the central element, and so it's not quite 100% predictable, the result, so it's always very exciting. Thank you for watching, and hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I will in later videos go into more detail about how the elements are constructed, but this is a brief run over how they're made. Okay, thanks for watching.